Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Marina, CA, Monterey. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking and a free Wi-Fi. Only steps from beautiful beaches and Monterey's Fisherman's Wharf, offering shops and restaurants. Motel 6 Monterey-Marina features free Wi-Fi throughout the property, pet-friendly accommodations. Guests can take advantage of on-site laundry facilities and wireless internet access. The motel also offers expanded in-room cable TV channels and free local telephone calls. The Motel 6 Monterey-Marina is placed only a short distance from popular local attractions, including Cannery Row and the Monterey Conference Center. A variety of local shopping centers and restaurants are also easily accessible. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.